This is the brief on the controversial offshore wealth strategy of Magnus Heystek. So ask yourself, is keeping all your wealth in South Africa a sign of confidence or an unnecessary concentration of risk? Well, that's the exact question sparking a really fiery, strictly business debate between Lindsay Williams and Magnus Heystek. First, let's talk about the crazy tension between local market optics and actual growth. Look, the JSE surged a staggering 53% in 2025, right? But Magnus stubbornly refuses to bring his clients' money back onshore. So is this market boom real, or just a gold-plated mirage masking underlying weakness? He teases a compelling argument about what single, narrow factor actually drove that entire local rally. Second, we've got to look at Magnus's totally unapologetic ANC-proof investment strategy. He throws down a huge challenge to local fund managers. I mean, if you strip out just a few high-flying international commodity stocks, does the rest of the local market actually present any real value at all? Finally, there's this striking Blumenfond property story he uses to illustrate long-term wealth creation. Imagine a family, a decade ago, facing a critical choice with the 60 million rand local property portfolio. Now, local brick and mortar always feels so safe, doesn't it? But trust me, the staggering difference in wealth between what they chose and current local valuations will absolutely shock you. Navigating today's market requires looking beyond surface-level statistics to see where true long-term global value lies. Hear the full conversation on Brenthurst Bulletin, available now on Spotify.